Yeah, here we have a really nice ROLLIN saw EF1459, and we're going to power it up to show you that it does operate. This is a 110 volt model, variable speed. You change the belts down here. There's 4 speeds, and what you do is you release this handle here, and it brings the blade down. There. There's also a stop on there. Put it in the up position, it locks down. This unit is in very good condition. Has a couple little paint scuffs on the base, nothing major. A couple little rust spots on the surface here. We just cleaned it up, oiled it down. It includes a clamp. There's your clamping piece right here, and there's your stop for when the blade comes down on your material. You change belt speeds, you just pull these 2 knobs off, take the shields off, and then change your blade, or the blade for the blade speed and the belts. And we thank you for looking at our product.